Let's stomp us down.
For once, Tyrion seems to be kind of enjoying himself on his tummy, so I'm trying not to bother him, so he will remember that he doesn't like being on his tummy. I tried finding stuff that he usually doesn't play with, so it's something new and very interesting for him to figure out. But he is trying to turn a bit. And he's starting to get kind of anxious. I really have to coax him to be on his tummy now, especially when he's learned to turn around. You can't just force him to be on his tummy because he keeps trying to turn. So good. He makes funny sounds. Yeah, that's a good baby. Hi, Diva. Hi. You want to play with us? She doesn't. Oh, Tyrion. You're a bad baby. Back to your tummy. Tummy time. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ow, 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 ow. Ay. Good baby. Not the tree. Not the tree, but maybe that can make you move around a bit. We're trying to put Tyrion in this thing as often as possible because we want him to learn to move in it so he can kind of walk around and be with us instead of us having to carry him all the time. But he isn't really learning. Hi, Tyrion. Hi. He isn't really learning, but now I just thought maybe the tree can make him, good boy, have the right motivation. Because if I try to make him come to me, he just gets anxious and wants me to carry him or just pick him up. But the tree obviously can't do that, so maybe that's a better idea. And it seems to be working, kind of. Just as I started filming, he grabbed the tree, as you can see. So you're getting sad now already. Hi. Hi. Yay! Good baby. Look here, Tyrion. Look here. Yeah, there's a tree there. That's much more important. Good baby. He also tries to kind of jump because that's what he does in that toy over there. And I think he's getting used to that movement, so he tries to jump in it and he doesn't really get anywhere, of course, because there's no jumping thing in this. Yay! Good baby! Good baby! Yeah, I know. Yay! Good baby! As you can see, he uses the jumping thing to get somewhere. And that's probably not the most effective way, but it does get kind of closer to me. Did you see the dog? Yeah, she's resting. She's used to all your noises and mess. Good baby! You're a good baby! You got all this way. You were all over there before. Where are you going now? That's a dead end. Mommy's gonna move you back a bit so we can try again. Whoop. Not the tree though. Oh, what did I think there?